How to fix Instagram sensitive content allow not showing. Account setting and age privacy fix. Fix 1. Update the Instagram app. You have to open the Google Play Store on Android or Apple App Store on your iPhone. Then you have to search for Instagram. Then you have to tap on update if any update button is available. Once that is done, you have to restart the app. Then you have to check for settings again for any new feature or controls.
Fix to check age setting. For that, you have to open the Instagram. Then click on the profile icon, which is located at the bottom right corner. Click on that. At the top right corner, you can see a three horizontal line. Just click on that. And here you have to click on account center. Then click on profiles and personal details. Here you can see a personal detail option. There you have to verify and put a valid birth date. Then you just have to close the app and reopen it to see if the options are appeared. Let's move to the fix 3. Check content preference. For that also you have to open the Instagram page. Then click on the profile icon. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then here you have to scroll down and you can see a option called content preference. You just have to click on that and click on sensitive content. Then here you can see a option called less standard mode. You can select it from here. Or you can use the fix 4. For that you have to log out and log in. Open the Instagram profile icon, then click on the three horizontal lines. Then here you just have to scroll down and here you can see a logout option. Just click on it and log it out. Once that is done, you have to restart the app. Then you have to log in again to check the sensitive content controls. If fix 4 didn't work, just move to the fix 5, clear app cache. For that you have to open the your phone setting, then move to the apps, then click on that and here you have to click on manage app. Then here you have to look for option called Instagram, click on that. Here you have to click on storage. Then here you can see a clear cache, you just have to click on that and you can delete the data also, just click on that and delete it.
So this will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.